Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our subject Basic English Structure. Today we are going to continue our lesson, especially the title is Simple Present Tense using verb other than be. Last week we have discussed using be such as I'm, is, and are in the simple present tense. So today we are focused on using a verb in the simple present tense. Of course, we are going to learn three parts. The first one, making statements. The second one, making questions. And the third one, making short answer. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin our class. In the first slide, how to make a statement in simple present tense using verb. Remember that when we use simple present tense, the verb should be verb 1 or simple verb, as the example here, like work, read, write, or eat. Avoid using simple past or past participle. Jadi kita tidak boleh menggunakan verb bentuk kedua ataupun verb bentuk ketiga. We just focus on verb 1. Okay, let's see the table here. Mari kita lihat tabel berikut ya. In the table we learn the statement. Ya, kita akan mencoba belajar pernyataan based on the all subjects of English, ya, berdasarkan semua subjek dalam bahasa Inggris. In English, ya, the subject divided into two parts, ya, singular subject and plural subject. Jadi subjek singular dan subjek plural. Nah, masing-masing singular dan plural subject itu diklasifikasikan menjadi first, second, and third. Ya, singular subject atau singular person ataupun plural person. I dalam bahasa Inggris sebagai first singular subject, you ya first singular, second singular subject dan second plural subject. While he, she, it ya, atau nama orang misalnya John, Mary itu sebagai third singular subject. Nah, sementara we sebagai first plural subject. Kalau they sebagai third plural subject. We practice the sentence ya. Here, I work every morning. You work every morning. He works every morning. Nah, kita perhatikan penggunaan third singular subject. Penggunaan subjek bentuk ketiga tunggal. Nah, ketika bertemu dengan kata kerja, maka kata kerja ditambahkan s. Nah, mungkin adik-adik sudah pernah belajar ketika SMA, ketika subjek itu sifatnya singular, start singular, maka verbnya harus ditambahkan s. Semua verb 1 ditambahkan s. Misalnya, she reads a book in the morning. Mary writes a book in the morning. John eats banana every morning. So all of the verbs should be put as ketika subjeknya third singular person, especially in the simple present tense. Khususnya ketika kalimat itu simple present tense. Okay, let's move to the next slide. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in this slide you are going to do practice, exercise 1. You are going to make your own sentence based on the example here. Remember that we try to make 2 sentences based on different subjects. Okay, I will read 3 examples for you. And then after that, you try to make your own example using 5 words here. Okay. Number 1. John reads in the morning and we read in the afternoon. John reads in the morning. John reads in the morning. Here the word reads should be put as, because John is third singular persons. And then we read in the morning. Read here, we read in the afternoon, sorry. Read here without s because the subject is we. It is the same as the sentence number 2. John writes in the morning and we write in the afternoon. Number 3, John practices, not practices. Yeah? John practices in the morning and we practice in the afternoon. Okay. I'm sure that you can do it by yourself. Yeah? For 5 words here, yes, such as arrives, sings, and then studies, lives, and works. So the verb, you don't have to use. For the subject, you don't have to use John. You can change, become Mary, become Ahmad, become Anton, and so on. And the second subject, we don't have to use we. Ya, kita tidak hanya menggunakan we, tetapi bisa mencoba dengan menggunakan they ataupun I, ya, atau you misalnya. Oke. Untuk selanjutnya kita akan masuk kepada how to use questions, ya, bagaimana menggunakan kata tanya, ya. How to use questions for do's and does in simple present tense. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, remember that do and does is different when we want to make a question in simple present tense. Jadi untuk kata do dan does ini berbeda ketika kita menggunakan pertanyaan dalam simple present tense. Nah, oke, pertama does, ya, kita bahas dulu does. Does digunakan hanya untuk menanyakan kegiatan yang dilakukan oleh third singular subject. Jadi does ini hanya ditanyakan ketika subjeknya itu third singular, ya. Misalnya she, he, it. Nah, contohnya statementnya adalah John works in the morning. Ya, maka kita bisa bertanya, does John work in the morning? Nah, perhatikan bahwa di sini kata works, ya, akan kembali kepada bentuk semula work jika diawali dengan kata tanya does, ya. Jadi tidak boleh ada double s di sini, ya. Sementara untuk do itu digunakan selain dari digunakan untuk menanyakan subjek selain dari third singular subject or third singular person, ya. Jadi bisa I, you, we, they, misalnya John and Mary, ya, sebagai plural subjects of the sentence. Now let's see the example here. The statement from they work every day, ya. Jadi contohnya itu they work every day. So when you ask this statement, do they work every day? Yeah, like that. Okay, I think it is easy to be understood. Ya, sangat mudah untuk dipahami. I think everyone here can make your own questions based on or using do and does. And now let's practice some other some additional examples using question do and does. First one is, do I speak well? Yeah. Do you read Spanish? And then, does Mary work at home? Do we begin in the morning? Yeah. Do Mr. and Mrs. Allen eat dinner at 7 o'clock? And so on. Okay, well, my students, to make sure that you have understood this lesson or not, I want you to answer this exercise. Yeah, actually this exercise recommends you to make to change all of these statements into question using do and does. As the example here, the statement John and Mary study English, and then you change do John and Mary study English. Okay, jadi untuk model exercise yang pertama, kita tidak perlu mengganti subjek ke dalam pronoun. Ya, kita tidak masalah kita langsung menggunakan subjek itu sendiri ketika bertanya. Misalnya seperti ini, subjeknya adalah John and Mary, ya, langsung saja do John and Mary study English, dan seterusnya. So you try to change all of these statements into question. Okay, the next exercise actually little bit same, ya, hampir sama dengan yang tadi, ya. Tetapi di sini kita akan mencoba untuk menerapkan pronoun, ya, subject pronoun yang sudah dipelajari sebelumnya. Ya, di mana subjek yang sebelumnya adalah nama orang, ya, kita ganti dengan menggunakan pronoun. Contohnya misalnya John and Mary study English. Ya, do they study English? Jadi John and Mary jika dijadikan pronoun maka menjadi they. Mr. Allen reads at night. So Mr. Allen here is he, ya, when we change into pronoun. Jadinya does he read at night, ya. Jadi ada dua cara, kita tidak perlu, cara yang pertama tidak perlu mengganti subjek itu, ya, langsung saja. Cara yang kedua adalah kita bisa menggantikan subjek menjadi pronoun. Nah, jadi ada 8 pernyataan di sini, ya, there are 8 statements that you need to change into questions. Okay, this is the last part of the material, our material today, how to make a positive and negative short answer. I think it's easy. Saya pikir ini sangat mudah sekali ketika kita membuat positive and negative short answers. Jika pertanyaannya itu mengarah kepada subjek atau kegiatan subjek yang sifatnya singular subject, ya, maka seperti ini misalnya, does John like coffee? Ya, does John like coffee? Nah, John itu mengarah kepada refers to singular subject. Yeah, it's simple to say yes, he does. Ya. Jika pertanyaan mengarah kepada subjek yang plural, ya, dua orang misalnya, do Mr. and Mrs. Allen what we call like tea, ya. Do Mr. Allen do Mrs. and do Mr. and Mrs. Allen like tea? Yes, they do. It's simple, you know. Yeah. Once again, I explain you. Does John like coffee? Yes, he does. Ya, he mengarah kepada John. Do Mr. and Mrs. Allen like tea? Yes, they do. They refers to Mr. and Mrs. Allen. And the second one, we are going to learn negative short answer. Okay, it's the same as positive short answer, ya. Jadi jika pertanyaannya does John sing well? No, he doesn't. Ya. Jadi untuk short answer you just enough to say no he doesn't atau no he is not, ya. Jadi disingkat menjadi no he isn't, ya. Sorry, no he doesn't. Do Mr. and Mrs. Allen sing well? No, they don't, ya. Atau no they do not. But in short answer, you just say no they don't. And well, ladies and gentlemen, for this session untuk sesi ini, positive and negative short answer, you can practice alone at home, ya. Misalnya ingin menanyakan dirinya atau temannya misalnya, do you speak English? Yes, I do. Jika no, I don't. Atau misalnya menanyakan temannya ingin makan malam bersama dirinya. Do you want to have dinner? Do you want to have a dinner with me tonight? No, I don't. Jika yes, I do. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.